I'm Rie, and this is my recipe for aquarium cookies. So I was looking on the internet and found this really cool cookie called shaka shaka cookies. Shaka shaka is onomatopoeia for shaking noise in Japanese. So when you shake something and make noise, that is shaka shaka. The person made two cookies glued together and put sprinkles inside. So when you shake it, you can see the sprinkles inside moving, and it was very cute. The recipe though looks very complicated. They used a special kind of sugar called palatinose, which is not sold in regular grocery stores. So I wanted to make it, but make it very simple so everyone can make at home. That's something I always wanted to include in my video. That's something everyone can make at home. That's the great thing about Tasty, I think. And making this cookie was very fun. I made this video for Tasty Junior initially, and I had the opportunity to work with kids. It was very fun to cook with little girls, especially the child actor I worked with. She was so impressed. She told me I could be a chef in the future and I should open a restaurant. And it was very cute and sweet. I was thinking maybe I could use store-bought candy and melt it. There is also another cookie called a stained glass cookie, which is very popular. So I used the Jolly Luncher instead of the special sugar and put two cookies together with white chocolate so it tastes better. When I was reading comment, I saw some audience said Jolly Luncher is too hard, so if you bite into it, you might break your teeth. But when you bake it, Jolly Luncher spread very thinly. So don't worry about breaking your teeth. You won't break your teeth. I'm looking out for you. This video became viral and I saw a lot of people make it. I also saw some people made it for a bake sale, and it's a great feeling when someone actually make it and have fun with it. I think also shaka shaka cookies is a cute name for Japanese cookie, but if you translate it, it's become shake shake cookie, which is not so catchy. It was our general manager Ashley who was sitting next to me and said, "Oh, that looks like an aquarium." So that's why I named it. So don't be afraid of breaking your teeth. It's actually tasty, kids loved it. And you can customize it. You can put love letter in it and make it fancy. Make it fancy. Make it fancy.